Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have a blissful day. And I hope your day was good as mine. So today I want to show you guys on how to participate in SparkChain farming point. Now this Spark chain farming point is similar to that one of the grass. For anyone that have actually farmed grass will have an idea on how this works. It's very easy, it's user friendly. All you need to do is to make sure that you download the extension, that's the Chrome extension, or either you are using Microsoft Edge extension. Either one that you choose to use is still going to work for you perfectly with no any difficulties. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Guys, remember to always like, subscribe, and comment. It helps the channel grow. And as a disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes, just for me to highlight the process on how to carry it out and how to farm the currently ongoing Spark chain farming point. So without any further ado, let's get on it. So if you click on the link in the description below, it's going to take you to this site. So once you come here, all you need to do is to click on start now. While I've already registered, so if it's your first time, when you click on that start now, all it's going to show you is you're going to see where you're going to fill form. It's going to ask you for referral code, which you find it in my description below. Copied it and pasted in there. Once you've done that and you click register, that's all. The next thing is going to pop you up to this particular so let me disconnect it so that you can be able to get what I'm trying to say. So now once you actually comes into it, it's going to show you the site is going to open up and it's going to pop up just like you are seeing here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on here. When you come down here, you see where it says stores. Click on it and then you see this web extension. So all you need to do is to just click on it and it's going to take you up. So I've already downloaded it. You also are going to see add extension. So all you need to do is just to click on add extension here. So once you add it, it's going to install it automatically on the extension. So what you need to do is to go back here to your main dashboard, to the main dashboard, and then you come here, as you can see here, then click on it, and then you're going to find your Sparklight notes here. So all you need to do is to just click on it, and it's going to ask you to sign in. So what you need to do is when you registered, you log in with your email and the password that you use when creating the your account. So once you did that, automatically it will start farming, because it will now see, it will now log in and it will now connect automatically. So you now come back here that says tax. Now these are just simple tags that you can carry. The first one, I've already done one here. Let me show you guys. I've already did it, so that's why you see complete. I've followed them on X, and for following them alone, you get the token of 2.5. That's 2,500 points for just following them on the channel, on their Twitter account. So once you've done that, the next thing is you can choose to do this one that says retweet, and then you tag 3 friends on their X account, and automatically gives you 1,000 points. So you see how easy it is. And then this one is for referral bonuses. And then here is going to show you the word. All you need to do is your email address. Make sure that you click on it. They are going to send you a code, a verifying email, which you're going to see there. All you need to do is just click on it, and then you verify your email, which is very, very important. And after that, you come back to your dashboard. So as you can see, it's already connected. It's just simple. It's not hectic. In the description below, I'm going to put my referral. Click on it, and then you register and you start farming. It's that simple. It's not stressful. It's easy, and it's very smooth. And I mostly prefer, I would suggest that when you want to farm, make sure you have a very strong connection, because it's also going to help on how fast and how yield you get when it comes to issue of the farming point, because it's going to tap from your data. Most especially, it doesn't consume much data. Don't put at the back of mind as if you connect it, it's going to consume your data. No, it's not. It's just using just like normal data usage with less usage of bandwidth. So That's just also, as we can see here, I've connected it. That's why you are seeing it here, connected here, and then currently is farming, and this is my point. So if you have more higher here, it means you earn more points than I, because your signal is more higher than mine. So that's just simply, guys, that's just how simple it is. Once you've done this, it's okay. Now anytime that you comes in to farm, or any times that you come, all you need to do is to come here, your extension, and then click on it, and then you click on the note. Just click on it, automatically it's going to pop up the sign in. That's the login. You just log in with your password, and that's just all. Automatically it's going to connect and you start farming. It's just as simple as that. And I told you that for anyone among us that have actually farmed grass will understand, in fact knows that it's the same thing. The only difference is just the name, but the dashboard and the user is the same thing. And we all know that actually grass, for people that actually mine, or for people that farm grass, actually make a lot of money. Guys, all I do is, I promise you, this year any project I'm going to give you is a very solid project. All you need to do is to just click on it and start farming, because guys, this year 2025, we are going to make a lot of money with airdrop, because I promise you, I only post what I know is legit, what I've made research, what I've done my own research, and I'm going to post it for you guys so that you can be able to get into it and start farming. The earlier the better. It's just as simple as that. Thank you very much. So guys, if you actually like the content I'm posting, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and the comment section is for you. You get to ask me any question, any difficulty that you have, just put it in the in the comment section. I promise to attend to it, so long it's going to help us all together to actually make money in this space. So that's for it now. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye now. Have a nice day.